Alright, today's free lookup table is named Film Style. We're using Photoshop for our demo, but you can use this in any video editing software such as Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Premiere. It is a .cube file. Here we have our demo image. Here's before and here's after. Get a bit of that film fade. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. And we're going to take a look at some of the pro LUTs that I loaded into Photoshop. Kodak inspired E64. Let's maybe go down to, let's try film. Really nice. Try another one here. There's different variations. Let's go to cool. Gives it more of a cooler tone. And we also have a warm version. There you go. Before and after. Alright, that was a quick look at the free lookup table named Film Style. Again, I'll put a link down below, and I'll also put a link to the complete collection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.